We shape our homes, and our homes shape us. I, Pallavi Arora of Fulcrum Homedecor, am here to transform your spaces into a dream home. Cheers to new beginnings and new memories, with a little bit of magic and lots of love. Welcome to Fulcrum Home Decor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. This is another video which was due, I guess, a few weeks back, but it took us a lot of time to get this together, and I'll tell you why. So we purchased a lot of products from Amazon. If you've not seen that video, I will link it in the description box. We purchased a lot of products online from different platforms, and we needed it primarily to style different sites. It took us a while to style all those products and shoot them and get it to you. So this video is a sequel to that one. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in the description box below. Let's see all the products that we bought and how I have styled them. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember that I am an interior stylist and designer, and I require a lot of these products to style sites. It is in no way trying to tell you to buy a lot of things. However, if you have a requirement and you're intending to buy, these products are what I would recommend, and I would choose for styling anyone's homes because they are very neutral and very budget friendly as well. I hope you enjoyed the process. I am hoping to share sites, the full videos of those sites in which I have used these products very soon. The next video that will be coming up is about home renovation and interiors of another site, so do stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Happy living.